Hi, my name is Anitha Shankar, and I am the founder of Astu Eco. We make earth-friendly alternatives to single-use plastics. In terms of chutney, yes, I have a very interesting chutney that I've not seen too many people making. It's made from the peels, top peels of ridge gourd. In Canada, it's called hirekai. The top layer of the ridge gourd is peeled off, and we wash that well, fry it a little bit so that the tenderness and rawness is gone. You can add to that some udid dal, which is again slightly fried, and take a little bit of imli, tamarind, put adequate amount of salt. You can put a couple of pods of garlic into it and a little bit of grated coconut and mix it in a mixer jar, and don't make it too fine. And lastly, you can put some tadka onto this. You can eat it with idlis, dosas, chapatis, anything. It's a fantastic dish. It's also a zero waste dish, right? You're not even throwing the peels off because there's a lot of nutrition in that, and you're consuming the nutrition that's there even in the peels. It adds to a lot of fiber. Thank you.